Alright, this one's for all of the team on RM Web. What you're looking at is a HON30 reverse loop. It's powered by analog DC, there's no digital control involved, just a basic homebrew throttle, speed and a reversing switch. So the aim of the game here is we want to get the train turned around. I've got a train sitting on the main line kind of over there. We're going to enter the loop, see what it does. Goes straight through the point. There is no point motor, there is no ground throw. Stops automatically because a pair of diodes are preventing it from going back onto the main line. I haven't changed the reversing setting yet. So if I kick this over, and I haven't changed the point, straight back onto the main line. No fuss, no messing about. No active detectors, no point motors, nothing that needs doing, no moving parts except for the train. So okay, how does it work? Well, there is a simple bridge rectifier. Anyone who's done even very basic electronics will know what this device is. It is taking a feed from the main line. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a pair of gaps there. Bridge rectifier is buried in the foam core, and it's feeding power to this section of the loop. NMRA rules say that if the right-hand rail has positive volts, you will travel forward. So let's see what this does. We'll drive the train into the loop. And stop it. I've just stopped it by setting the direction switch to the center. Now, if I set the direction switch to go back the other way, it keeps moving the same direction. Why? Because the bridge rectifier is forcing the traction power to be right rail positive equals forward around the loop. So let's continue around the loop as if I haven't changed direction. Now you may not be able to see, but there is a diode buried in the foam core right about there. There is another one on the other side. They're taking power from the main line and they're effectively governing whether the train can move or not. Because I haven't set the direction switch back to accept the train back onto the main line, the diodes are stopping the power from passing. All it takes, remember, speed, reversing, you have this on any throttle that you have. Any analog DC throttle has these controls. Absolutely nothing else involved. Train continues back on main line. And here we are at the bottom loop of Dynamite Canyon. The train's about to arrive on our main line this way. The track that you see disappearing through the tunnel simply loops around and reappears. The point down here is another one of our one-way points, and yes, there is a bridge rectifier located in the foam there and some diodes. Now again, the diodes have stopped because we haven't changed our direction switch. So let's set it for the correct direction back onto the main line. No point motors, no active detection, nothing but a speed control and a reversing switch. Okay, we've gone handheld. We're going to try and chase the train around the layout. Hope that didn't make you too seasick.